You know, my children, when God created heart, He made it so nice and pure like this. It was nice and pure. But because of our sins, the heart got corrupted and it became all black. With all our sins. That is why, as she said, all evil came out from the hearts. When evil comes out from the hearts, it becomes black. No? This has the power to make our heart weak. And then, eventually, our heart becomes sick. And when our heart becomes sick, we become spiritual patients. We become unhealthy Christians. Now, this is brought about by our daily behavior, daily bad behavior, wrong choices, wrong relationships, compromise.